This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. As you can see, it is for February 21st, 2019. This is how the markets are trading. Just want to get a snapshot of the market trade right there based on what we're going to be discussing in this video, which I am sure some of you are not going to be very happy, since this is a channel pretty much dedicated to technical analysis. But once in a while, allow me to go off on the dark side of the internet. And the reason for this is sometimes we should respect the reason why people say we should, and the market keeps reminding us we should be using stops, because what is going on in the marketplace pretty much is beyond our scope of understanding, in the sense that there are forces in the market that are moving things. And just to keep things in perspective here, please understand the moral of this video is for you to understand that you don't really know what forces are moving market. In other words, we don't really know what forces are moving markets, and we should always respect that. And this comes from a prior video, which, as you can see here, you can find more. I've discussed this in other videos, so this is going to be brief. If you want to go deep into the dark side of trading, take a look at this playlist here. So, all right, this is yesterday's close. I took a snapshot. When I saw this, the numbers there just kind of piqued my interest. And what piqued my interest is the Dow was up, and I'm going to remove the zero. So the Dow was up 0.4%. S&P 500 was up 0.18%. And the Dow was up 0.03%. So what really caught my attention is all these numbers are divisible by 3, right? And that's one thing that caught my attention. If we drill this to single digits, this is a 2 plus 4, we are going to get a 6. 1 plus 8, we are going to get 9. And of course, 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2, no, 3 times 2. 3 times 2, you get a 6. 3 times 3, you get a 9. If you take the numbers 2 plus 4, which is 6, equals 6. We take 1 plus 8, which equals 9. And then we take 3. Notice, if you take this single digit numbers 3 times 6, you end up with the 18, which was the close of the S&P 500. And I'm always sensitive when I see a close of 0.18, either to the upside or to the downside. And you can check the playlist. There's a lot of reason for that, going back to how the market was behaving in 2008. What I'm trying to say is, I believe there are codes, hidden codes, that are meant for those who know what to look for. In other words, this could be a code here that there was a change in the market behavior that was coming, for those who know what to look for to be aware and to take action accordingly. This is what the Dow looked like at the close of yesterday's session. Dow working on week number 8 of positive closes. So one wonders whether this is code for a change, and we can actually see the current look on the Dow. We'll see how things are going to play out. Let me conclude with a view of the current market. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Be careful out there. Peace and blessings. ESS.